afternoon, welcome back to Built by Bo. Today we're going to try and get out in the Turbo Rustang. We are going to bolt on some burnout tires and we're going to go see if we can actually get this thing lit up. Happy now that I found why the throttle was sticking, and it actually was touching a spot on the hood, so I had to notch out the hood. Now you can see that it was actually touching on one spot under load, which was scary. So in any case, I trimmed that spot out of the hood. So basically my modded throttle body and modded elbow was actually contacting the hood in that spot. Now I've had to section this hood out here in this area here for the remote IAC. So I have to run the 5-liter Mustang throttle body to gain clearance away from the alternator. So all this is for a reason, but yeah, this spot right here, I was contacting when it was wide open throttle, causing it to stick. And it could have something to do with the engine rocking or whatever, but it was scary as shit when it's wide open throttle at 25 pounds of boost. So that's the spot. Let's go. As you can see behind me, we have no problems doing burnouts at all. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you like the videos.